After great popularity of the Panda money box, I've decided to buy 2 more as gifts. One for my nephew and one for my daughter. And the first one I've got is a cat for my nephew. It's very cute. It's just a little cat comes out, and as you can see on the plate, it's a nice little fish. It holds the coin nicely. He does a great job of it too. And the second one is a little monkey, and on the plate you've got a banana. Again, holds the coin nicely. And some lovely bright shiny eyes from the monkey. I think they're going to be some fantastic gifts, and again I recommend them to anyone who likes money boxes or cats or monkeys. Thanks.